Hey, welcome back to Monkey Brew. Today we're on the st50 of Ian's. We're nearing the end now, so if not this video, the next video will be the last video on this particular bike, and then we're going to go back onto the Chally. Sorry for the last video, I accidentally dropped it while filming. I thought it kept going, but obviously when I watched it back it didn't, it came off, so again, apologies on that. I don't edit videos, mainly because I don't know how I'm doing it, I'll be honest with you. So I do apologise on that one. And I will try and start looking to doing editing. And I believe it's easy, but I'm old school. I haven't got a clue. So anyway, enough of that hoo-ha. So today we're going to put quite a lot on, really. All that's going to be left is the badges, the headlight, and the seat, which is over there to put on, and then hopefully with permission I'll do a riding video around the field on it, and then this one will be done, and go back to Ian and yeah, start again on the Chally. I'm picking up another Chally this Sunday, mainly for parts though, to be honest with you, for the pink one. It's got no V5, so if I can obtain a V5 for it, I will, as you know me, I will get it back restored. Whether I do a custom Chally or whether I do a standard original Chally, I don't know yet. I'm quite tempted to go down the custom route on the Chally. I've seen the lads in Malaysia and Vietnam and Japan doing these Challys to custom spec. Be nice to do one custom one. I've got a few ideas in my head how I'm going to do it, but we'll see. Right, enough of that, and get on with this. So we're going to start with this side. So off video, what I've done is I've put the chain on. I've got it running sweet as a nut, which I'll show you in a sec. What else have I put on? I did something else and I can't remember what it was now. Oh, the back brake. So anyway, let's get this side on now, because we start it with the kick, so I don't need the drill. All it was a bit of crap in the carb, adjusted the float valve, and that's all that was, to be honest with you. So nothing much. And I say it's pretty much nearly finished, this one. I haven't tried it in gear yet, so maybe that's the side of this video or next video. Got battery for it, so get it all wired up. And that's it. There's not much wiring on this, to be fair. There's no winkers. There's no side light as such, I don't think. I say it's only a little st50. I think the st70s had the side light. I might be wrong on that. I'm not 100% sure. I've got the rear foot pegs to put on yet, so that'll be definitely on the next video. I'm getting the bolts zinc plated as we speak. Whoops. Going wrong there, me yapping on. Do you know what? I'll just shut up for a sec. I bet everyone's on going, hey. Right, what have we got? We've got the decals to go on there. This is the tyre pressure one. Whoops. And what I try and do is get it in line with all of them. Try and get it as straight as I can. And there should be a transport sticker for the top, obviously in white because it's a dark colour. Just make sure it's the right. There we go. My hands are clean, so I shouldn't get any fingerprints on me. And again, I'll try and get it spot on. So all your stickers are in one row. We've got caution stickers for the back, which is the battery, which I'll try and get that's spot on. Right, that's that. We've got the headlight sticker one. I can put that on when we get the shell on. What we got in this bag here? We should have 1, 2, 3. It's the frame grommets. I'm not sure if you can see it on camera. Yeah, you can. They're like plugs, rubber plugs if you like. So one in there. Just tidies it up, and so it does expose the threads to the elements. Okay, one more. Which goes underneath the line. Okay. Right. I'm getting the bits are going down slowly. So battery tray, which I've had zinc plated. I'll chuck him on as well. While we're here, which the rectifier goes on as well. It's a certain way it locks in, so like that, like so. Because I've got sausage fingers, I'll have a bit of, there you go. Push all of them down. That's the battery. Again, we've got a new battery for it, so I'll put that on in the next video so we can get all the lights working and such like. Okay. Yeah, there's a strap that goes across there, which is here somewhere. The battery box, or battery case, whatever you want to call it, goes in there. Right, what we've got left, I say the bits are getting less and less. We've got front brake cable, speedo cable, gear lever, which I need to find a nice I'll have to yeah, I'll have to look into that one, do that on the next video. Right, okay, let's put the headlight bucket on, I think. I wonder if you can see it from there. How's that? Right. So it comes with these like tabs that go in there. It's like a washer if you like. So we'll just get one in. And what we'll do, we'll put all the wiring in here first. I need I knew I forgot something. Just need to because it's been powdered, I just need to grab a drill, but I don't really want to. It should. There you go. That's got to start on it. So we'll do the same on the other side. Right. Let's try again. Don't want to damage it if I can. Okay. Oops, I didn't. Oops, sorry. Low flying head. Oh, I'll have to get some better nuts for they're too big. But it's looking alright, isn't it? Right. Okay, let's put that sticker on. It's only the Remember Preserve Nature sticker. I'm sure you Honda lads will know what I mean. I'm going to try and get it bob on. Okay. Okay. I think we'll put the speedo cable in, and it goes on one way. You have the bottom with like a spline in it, which locates. By doing that, there you go. Just turn it into place. Oh, of course, the speedo, but again, that'll be another job for the next video. And then that goes through there, and that through there. Straight cable. Okay. Again, when it comes out of the cradle, I'll put it on. That goes in there. That's for the stoplight. Okay. What's it stuck on? I'm a donut, aren't I? I haven't put it through the what am I doing? Go in there. Okay, there's the front brake. Rubbish, 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 rubbish. There's a seat bracket I've had done, but goes on there. I'll sort that on the next video. Looking alright. Looking really good, to be honest with you. So I put the new grips on as well on the last video, I forgot to tell you, sorry. There's the new grips. And say put the rear brake lever on. Just need to get the spring from there to there. That's all on, but I haven't done it yet. I haven't adjusted it yet till I get the spring. Battery's ready to go in. That'll be on the next video. Chains on. Foot pegs are there, but they're going to go on the next video. From there. Chain guards on. All the decals are on this side now. Managed to get the air filter on. I found that the proper rubber for it, just need to sort that Jubilee clip out, it's a little bit off. And yeah, so far so good. Right, do you know what? We're going to start it up, I think. It's running like a little sewing machine now, I'll be honest with you. Okay. turn the key on. The choke. Made up with that. The engine sounds really good up, to be fair. See. Yeah, that's working. So some electrics will work without the battery, but I don't want to risk blowing the bulbs. So, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Ta-da!